my friends. Miss Lauren here from the Fairfield Public Library. Thank you for joining us for our summer Tails and Tales craft. Today, we will be making a yarn-wrapped fox. At the library, you picked up a bag of supplies. Some supplies that you'll need to gather that aren't in your take-and-make bag are a pair of scissors, a sharpened pencil, some glue. I'll be using both a glue stick and tacky glue. In your take-and-make bag, you should have one piece of cardboard with two tracings on it, another piece of cardboard with a tracing on it, one piece of white paper with 2 circles traced, a piece of black paper with 3 circles traced, one piece of white paper, an orange paper, and a pink paper, one doily, and a very long piece of orange string. The first thing you're going to do is cut out the fox's head and its cheek and this other cheek. So you can go ahead and start cutting. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. Next, you're going to trace each of the fox's cheeks onto the white paper. And then you'll cut them out. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. Your next task is to glue the cheek that you just traced and cut out onto the cardboard cheek. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. Excellent work, my friends. You are doing great. The next thing you need to do is take out your doily, and you are going to cut around the perimeter, cut the circle out, and use the edge pieces to create whiskers for your fox. And you will glue them onto the cheek however you'd like. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. The next thing you're going to do, my friends, is cut a line at the bottom of the fox's chin, about 1 inch up. This is where we're going to start threading and looping the yarn through the fox. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. So once you have your line cut, you're going to take the end of this super duper long string, if you can find it. Here's my end. And you're going to put a piece through. You don't need to put too much. And then you can tape it down to hold it in place. So if you'd like, you can pause the video here and then resume once you've done that. Now that we have our yarn ready to go, you are going to decide how far away you'd like the cuts at the top of the fox's head to be. So this is my example, and where each of these strings are is where I made a cut. So it's up to you. You can make cuts that are close together, which means you might only have enough string to go through once, or if your cuts are a little bit further apart, you'll probably be able to go through with the yarn one way and the next. So with your scissors, if you'd like, you can sketch out with a pencil how far apart. You can use your ruler to measure so that they're all in equal distance apart from each other. And then once you do that, once you have all of your cuts, we'll move on to the next step. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. Fantastic work, everyone. So I have all of my cuts at the very top. You are going to take the yarn and start on one side. You're going to loop it through the top, come around the back, and loop it through the bottom. And you're going to continue doing that back and forth from the top to the bottom, all the way through to the end. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. Friends, after you've finished wrapping all the yarn, this is what my front looks like, the front of the fox's head. And in the back, I'm going to use a piece of tape to tape down that last little piece that didn't make it all the way around. If you don't have any tape, you can tie it to one of the last strings on the side. So now, what's there to do? You still have quite a few things left to do. So you're going to take both of your cheeks and you are going to glue them on each side of the fox's face. So if you'd like, you can pause here while you go ahead and glue on the fox's cheeks. You're going to want to push down really hard so that the cardboard sticks to the cardboard. If you have something heavy, you can place it on top of it while we work on the next part of the craft. The next thing you're going to do is create your fox's ears. They can be as big or as small as you'd like. You can trace one of them out. And then cut it or fold your paper over so you have two cut out at the same time, that they are the same size. And then you're going to make a smaller triangle to fit on the inside so that you have two colors on the ears. To be smaller than this, I'm just going to measure it out. So I'm only going to cut out the one on the inside. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. Now you're going to glue the pink pieces inside of the orange pieces. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. So we have our two ears. Now you can go ahead and glue them wherever you'd like on the fox. Press down really good because we don't want them to come off. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. Your next task is to cut out all 5 of these circles. you'd like, you can pause the video here and resume once you finish cutting all 5 circles. The circles you've just cut out are your fox's eyes, and one of these black circles is its nose. So you can glue on the eyes wherever you'd like, if you'd like them to be in the center or off to the side, so it's kind of like looking up or down. You choose. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. These are what mine look like, and we're going to save those to glue on to the fox's face soon. And hold on to that nose. Don't lose it. Now you're going to take the fox's eyes and nose and glue those on. The nose is going to go down here at the bottom and cover all of where the yarn is looped. And you can place your eyes anywhere you'd like on your fox's face. If you'd like, you can pause here and resume the video once you've completed the task. And there you have it, friends, your completed yarn wrapped fox. We hope to see you again this summer for more Tales and Tales crafts with the Fairfield Public Library. Thank you. Bye.